Hello, my lovely learners. Welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled you're here today because we're diving into a very important topic: how to speak English confidently without fear. Many people struggle with this, and it's completely normal. Have you ever felt nervous speaking English? Maybe you worry about making mistakes or forgetting words. Don't worry, you're not alone. Speaking English confidently is something anyone can achieve, and I'm here to help you get there. Imagine this. You're at a party, and you hear people chatting in English. You want to join in, but your heart races, and you second-guess every word. This fear can hold you back, but today, I'll share effective strategies, engaging examples, and helpful tips to boost your confidence when speaking English. We'll explore practice techniques, common phrases, the importance of embracing mistakes, and much more. So, let's get started. Part 1. The power of practice. The first step towards speaking English confidently is consistent practice. Regularly practicing your speaking skills helps you become more comfortable with the language. It's like exercising a muscle. The more you work it, the stronger it gets. When you practice speaking daily, you train your brain to think in English, which leads to more natural conversations. I encourage you to set aside time each day to speak out loud, whether it's narrating your day, describing your surroundings, or even talking to yourself. This self-dialogue helps build your fluency and reinforces your vocabulary. Consistency is vital. Even short daily sessions can significantly impact your confidence over time. Consider this. If you were to practice speaking for just 10 minutes every day, how much improvement do you think you would see in a month? This small commitment can yield great results. Part 2. Keep it simple. Another essential strategy is to keep your sentences simple. When you're nervous, it's easy to overthink and complicate your speech. Simple sentences help you communicate clearly and effectively without overwhelming yourself with complex grammar. For instance, instead of saying, "I think that going to the beach this weekend would be a wonderful idea," simply state, "I want to go to the beach this weekend." This clarity not only makes it easier for you to express yourself, but also helps your listeners understand you better. Keeping it simple reduces the pressure you place on yourself, allowing you to focus on conveying your message rather than getting caught up in complicated structures. Ask yourself, what do you want to do this weekend? By articulating your thoughts simply, you're practicing essential communication skills that will serve you well in any conversation. Part 3. Learn common phrases. Learning common phrases is an excellent way to boost your confidence. Having a set of ready-to-use phrases allows you to navigate conversations more easily. Instead of constructing sentences from scratch each time, you can rely on familiar phrases that fit various contexts. This is particularly useful in everyday situations, such as ordering food, asking for directions, or making small talk. Common phrases act like building blocks for your conversations, giving you a foundation to build upon. They also help you respond quickly without overthinking your words. For instance, phrases like, "How are you?" or "Can I help you?" can foster interaction and show your willingness to communicate. My lovely learners, think about the phrases you use most often. Are there any you can add to your vocabulary? This practice will not only enhance your fluency, but also make you feel more prepared and less anxious in conversations. Part 4. Embrace your mistakes. Embracing mistakes is crucial in the language learning process. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. It's important to understand that making errors is a natural part of learning. Instead of fearing mistakes, view them as opportunities for growth. When you make a mistake, acknowledge it, correct yourself, and move on. This will help you build resilience and confidence in your speaking abilities. For example, if you accidentally say, "I go to the store," instead of, "I went to the store," simply smile and say, "Oh, I meant to say I went." This approach not only helps solidify your learning but also showcases your ability to communicate effectively despite errors. Reflect on how you feel when you make a mistake. Do you let it discourage you or motivate you to improve? The more you embrace mistakes, the more fearless you will become in your speaking journey. Part 5. Listen and mimic. Listening to native speakers is a fantastic way to build confidence in your speaking skills. By listening to English movies, podcasts, or conversations, you expose yourself to natural speech patterns, vocabulary, and pronunciation. This exposure helps you develop a better ear for the language, making it easier for you to understand and produce English sounds. A great technique is to mimic what you hear. When you come across a phrase or expression that resonates with you, pause the video or audio and repeat it aloud. This practice helps improve your accent and fluency. It's also a fun way to engage with the language. My lovely learners, think about which movies or podcasts you enjoy. How can you use them to practice your speaking? By incorporating listening into your routine, you'll find that your confidence grows with each conversation. Part 6. Engage in conversations. Engaging in conversations with others is one of the best ways to practice your English. Look for language exchange partners or join conversation clubs, either online or in person. Practicing with others not only helps you apply what you've learned, but also builds your confidence in a supportive environment. Think about it. Speaking with a friend or fellow learner is generally less intimidating than speaking with a stranger. For instance, you could say, "I'm looking for someone to practice English with. Would you like to chat?" This approach allows you to share experiences, learn from one another, and grow together. Have you ever participated in a language exchange? If not, I encourage you to try it. You might be surprised at how much fun it can be. Engaging with others provides real-life practice that can significantly enhance your speaking abilities. Part 7. Use positive affirmations. Let's talk about the power of positive affirmations. What you tell yourself matters. Instead of thinking, "I can't do this," try saying, "I am improving every day." This shift in mindset can dramatically affect your confidence. When you practice speaking, take a moment to look in the mirror and say, "I am confident. I am capable." This simple exercise can boost your self-esteem and help you reduce fear. My lovely learners, what positive affirmation will you use today? Affirmations reinforce your belief in your abilities and motivate you to keep pushing forward. They create a positive atmosphere around your learning journey. Part 8. Prepare for conversations. Another valuable tip is to prepare for conversations. Think about common topics you might discuss, like hobbies, travel, or your favorite foods. When you know what to expect, you'll feel more at ease. For instance, if you're meeting someone new, practice questions such as, "What do you do for fun?" Or, "Have you traveled anywhere recently?" This preparation can help you feel more confident when speaking. It also allows you to stay engaged in the conversation, making it easier to respond. What topics do you enjoy discussing? Write them down. Having a mental list of conversation starters can make social interactions feel less daunting and more enjoyable. Part 9. Practice with friends. Practicing with friends is a fantastic way to build your speaking confidence. Choose a friend who is also learning English and set up regular practice sessions together. This can be incredibly beneficial because friends provide a comfortable and supportive environment to practice without the fear of judgment. You can role-play different scenarios, such as ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions. This makes learning interactive and fun. My lovely learners, do you have a friend you can practice with? If not, consider joining an online language community or finding a study buddy. Practicing together can enhance your learning experience and make it feel less intimidating. You'll find that you can learn a lot from each other's strengths and weaknesses. In conclusion, speaking English confidently without fear is within your reach. Remember to practice regularly. Keep your sentences simple. Learn common phrases. Embrace mistakes. Listen and mimic. Engage in conversations. Use positive affirmations. Prepare for discussions and practice with friends. Each step you take brings you closer to fluency. If you apply these strategies, you'll find yourself speaking with more confidence in no time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your biggest challenge when speaking English? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident.